and skills and development. It also discusses potential changes the government may consider to policy programs and governance arrangements. The National Food Plan Green Paper sought feedback on a number of possible policy options in relation to improving producer viability, including increasing public expenditure on rural research and development (R&D) over the next 10 years, improving the Rural Research and Development Corporation model to enhance its effectiveness and efficiency, which we can do, ways government and business can expand food trade opportunities, particularly with Asia, an industry-led working group to prepare a workforce development strategy, focusing on ways to better use existing labour and skills initiatives in the agricultural sector. The government is developing a national food plan to ensure its policies support its vision for a food system where Australians continue to enjoy a sustainable, globally competitive, resilient food supply that supports access to nutritious and affordable food. Now, it's an important step to ensure a more integrated, coordinated and strategic focus to food-related policy along the supply chain. The National Food Plan will link and complement the recently released R&D policy statement and Australia and Asia and in the Asian Century White Paper. Now, in addition to the food plan, the government has released the Australia and the Asia Century White Paper, which includes a national objective for Australian agriculture and food and a case study showcasing the significant opportunities for the sector. And I draw your attention to Chapter 7 of that paper. The national objective outlines the vision for the agricultural and food sector and identifies pathways that will be taken to position Australia to meet the growing demand for food and capture the opportunities of the Asian century. Global food demand is expected to rise by over 30% by 2025, with most demand coming from Asia. Our agriculture and food sector is extraordinarily well placed to build on its strengths and to capture a healthy share of these growing markets despite fierce competition. The White Paper outlines how Australia can make the most of these opportunities through lifting productivity